Okay, let's see what is the problem. The diff is list x. What is the problem with list x? It's giving us back x, but I think the x is not. Oh, the x is something. Okay, let's go here. The x is good, but it's have some thing more with it. They are not in the best way. Let's clean it a little. We can clean it by code, but just for now this is good. We don't need to write another line of codes. Let's just do it. Let me just clean them. Oh, sorry. Let's see if they are summable. No, they are not clean now. Okay, this is not a problem. I just want to make this list from this code so we can see the difference between the models. If we don't need A or B by now. We can just hide them. We just need R2 and the diff. Okay, let's see. As the R2 is the topper, the model is working the best. As you can see, the best R2 is for English, and the lower difference is for English as well. It says that the R2 and the different is working a little like each other, but they have differences, and the diff has some problem like this. This is not this social studies have a good diff, but about R2 and I don't know why. But this is the end of linear regression by now. This is the end of regression by now. We write a line of codes and do lots of things. We make a code that is clean and everyone can understand everything about it. We create a def for it that we can put it in an app or in a server or everything else. I teach you that too. Okay, by now this is just the end of the linear regression project of this course. I hope that you enjoy it. I like it very well. Tomorrow we are going to learn about two kind of other regressions, polynomial and another one, if I don't forget. What is the name? Okay, I tell you in the next lesson. Have a good time and don't forget to like and subscribe and study. For becoming a programmer, you must program a lot. Have a good day.